Hi everyone, welcome to Tracking Your Phone YouTube channel. Here we review the latest mobile phone tracking software, discuss the best parental control tools, find the best geofencing solutions, discuss the social media spy methods, and fight cyberbullying together. In this video, we will introduce the best video editing software for beginners. Learning video editing can be overwhelming at first. There is a lot to wrap your mind around, but becoming proficient in video editing is definitely an achievable undertaking. So keep watching the video till the very end, because after watching this ultimate guide, you'll learn how to choose a video editing software and how to edit your first video in a video editing software. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Part 1. Things you should consider before deciding to learn how to edit videos. 1. What type of videos do you want to make? Do you want to create a short movie or a movie that lasts more than 20 minutes? Is it a gaming video, a tutorial, or an experimental art movie? Knowing exactly what kind of video you want to make will help you narrow down the search for the video editing software and enable you to know in advance which editing tools you are going to need before you start editing. 2. System requirements you are going to need for video editing. The performance your computer is capable of can severely limit the range of video editing software options you have at your disposal. All professional video editing suites, such as Final Cut and Adobe Premiere, have a demanding list of technical requirements your computer has to meet if you want to use them to edit your videos. Windows PC or Mac CPU capabilities, RAM memory, hard drive space, the graphics card, monitor. As you mature as a video editor, you should strive to get better equipment. But until you master the basic video editing techniques, you can use any consumer-level PC or Mac computer to edit your videos. Besides the technical requirements, your video editing skills are the second most important thing you should consider before purchasing a video editing software. Part 2. Things to consider before choosing a video editor. 1. Your budget and editor's price. Inexperienced video editors usually have no need for advanced video editing features, which is why there is no point in investing hundreds of dollars into a software that provides the video editing tools you will never use. You can find some of the best entry-level as well as professional video editing software products for Mac and PC computers featured in the table below. 2. User-friendly interface. When selecting a video editor, make sure you know if it has an easy interface or is extremely difficult with lots of hidden features. Trust us. If you're new, you'll regret buying a tool with greater difficulty. Therefore, find software with simple video editing options. It would be better to get the one with loads of presets, effects, and features. 3. Learning resources. Another important factor is the availability of learning material. If the software you choose has fewer learning blogs and videos, you will get badly stuck later and won't find a way out. On the other hand, a video editor with lots of information and tutorials over the internet is a boon. All the stuff will not just help you overcome a challenge in your video editing journey, but you will also be able to polish your skills. 4. Supported video formats. We have seen editors that only allow you to import and export videos in 2 or 3 formats. In the same way, some tools are good for nothing, as they allow editing in old formats, which people don't even use in 2022. Look for a video editor that supports MP4, AV, MOVI, F4VT, HDView, PWAR, VLMPT, Everyway PWARM. A video editor supporting all these input and output formats will make video editing easier and more satisfying. 5. Advanced features. Offer a video editor that equips the latest features. It will scale your editing to the next level and help you make attractive and catchy videos. For instance, the editor you are considering should have the Chrome key effect. It should contain a built-in screen recorder if you're making a tutorial video for your YouTube subscribers. It should have 3 effects, great color grading tools, and more. 6. Media library. There's no time to look for music and videos from third-party sites. Therefore, make sure the software you choose has a built-in media library with lots of royalty-free videos and music, so you can use it on your project. 7. Customer support. Last but not the least, if you're buying a video editor, you should check the customer support reviews before going ahead, because sometimes you do need assistance from the company to upgrade your account information or simply retrieve a lost password. If customer support is unresponsive, it's better to look for another tool. Part 3. How to edit videos with Filmora. 1. Launch Filmora and select the aspect ratio. Double-click on Filmora's desktop icon whenever you are ready to start working on a new video. The software's welcome screen will appear on the screen, asking you to create a new project or open project. Besides that, you can choose the aspect ratio here to save time in editing. 2. Create a new project and import the footage. Click New Project in the software's welcome screen and wait for the editor to load. Once you gain access to Filmora's video editor, you should proceed to register the product by clicking on the Register button. Head over to the File menu and click on the Project Settings option and select the aspect ratio the final cut your video will have. You will be able to choose between several different options, including the standard 16:9 or 4:3 aspect ratios, but also less common 9:16 aspect ratio for vertically oriented videos, as well as the 1:1 aspect ratio for square-shaped videos. You can also custom the aspect ratio per your need. In the upper left corner of the video editor, you'll be able to see the Import button. Click on it and select the Import Media Files option, and then navigate to the location on your hard drive where the footage you want to edit is stored. Select the video, audio, or photo files you want to use in your project, and click on the Import button. 3. Organize the material you are using in your project. The files you import into the editor will be stored in Filmora's Media tab. Working with a lot of different files in a single project is much harder if you have to look for the video clips you want to add to the timeline. To avoid mess and confusion, you can use the My Album option that enables you to create folders and to sort out your files. 4. Place the video and audio files on the timeline to remove the redundant parts. Raw footage often contains mistakes or parts that simply don't belong in your video, so if you would like to cut or trim your videos, simply drag them from the Media tab and drop them on the timeline. You can add as many video clips as you want, but each new file you add will be placed after the previous one, and in order to rearrange them, you have to drag the files to the desired position on the timeline. 5. Apply visual effects to the footage. Now that you removed all the unwanted parts from your video clips, you proceed to detach the audio and video files, add music, insert transitions between the clips, or use some of many visual effects Filmora offers. 6. Go through the color correction process. The effects icon offers over several hundred filters and overlays effects you can use in your projects in order to make the colors in the video look more vivid. Click on the icon and select the filter you'd like to use, and then drag and drop it wherever you want on the timeline. The duration of the filter can be adjusted by simply moving either end of the filter. 7. Export and share. When you are absolutely sure that there is nothing more you'd like to add or remove from your project, you should click on the Export button. In the Output window, you can easily select the video file format in the Format menu and optimize the video for smartphones, iPads, or gaming consoles such PS4 or Xbox One. Let us know which video editing software you like to use the most in the comments section, and make sure to share this guide with your friends who are just starting to discover how magical the world of video editing really is. Thumbs up if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips on phone tracking solutions. Hope to see you in our next video. Till then, bye!